don't know how Obamacare is going to affect them. Their insurance brokers have got them, you know, they don't know what's up and what's down. What we're going to do with the debt, what we're going to do with taxes, what we're going to do with regulation. These things, all these things added together have created uncertainty. And uncertainty in business means that people will not make a decision. You wouldn't make a decision. You don't know what's going to happen. You're not going to go put your money into something that you think is risky, right? You'd rather keep it in a safe investment, like even when you're getting no interest payment at all, than to put it into the stock market that you think is going to go down when you don't have any certainty about the future. So that's kind of what we're dealing with in the state, but we're getting momentum. The key is, as I like to talk about the Ohio State basketball program, when you're up 10, you need to go up 20. You don't get up 10 and then like sit there. Go up 20, and that's what we have to keep doing in the state. So thanks for letting me be here today, and we'll see you the next time.